I have to admit, Anna and Jonathan are sometimes right about things.
Right as rain.
How can a weather event be correct about something?
Are you feeling better today? You sounded sort of ill the other day.
Oh yeah, I'm right as rain. I think I had a little too much cake and a few too many donuts at my birthday party.
Well, if you want to stay right as rain, you might want to try eating some vegetables sometimes.
Being right as rain means to be perfectly fine or in good health. Since the 1500s, many English expressions have started with right as, like right as a line and right as a bank. It probably became popular because of the matching R sounds. And that's English in a minute.